Hi everyone, welcome to QA Stack. Today we are going to see how can we integrate evaluation test and see them in LangSmith. So up till now we have seen how do we print matrices like recall precision, how to trace the entire LLM call in LangSmith. Now in this video we are going to see how to run LLM test case and how to see or feedback the results back to LangSmith so that we can see all these key LLM metrics is like answer relevancy, faithfulness, precision, context recall in LangSmith. So let's dive into the coding part. So the first step is to import the DeepEval dependencies. First of all, let me create a separate file. Okay. Now in this file, we are going to add the handling for DeepEval, starting with installing the dependencies. So these are the dependencies that we have installed: DeepEval test case, models, matrices. Now the second step is to create an LLM as a judge. Let me change the model because for our main LLM also I am using the same model. Yeah, so this is my main LLM, and then so let me change it to now we have defined our LLM as a judge. Now the next step is to define matrices that we are going to evaluate. So we are going to evaluate all these four matrices. Now the fourth step is to add an LLM test case. Now the next step is run the LLM test for each test case. So here we are pushing all the matrices back to DeepEval in the form of feedback. So earlier I have placed it before the answer generation. Now I have placed it at the correct place where after the answer generation. So now that we are done with changes, let's execute this. Now it is loading the knowledge base. Then now it is running the precision and recall at K matrices. Now it's running the DeepEval test cases. Let's wait for the execution to complete and then we will see how these traces look in the LangSmith portal. Now let's see in the LangSmith how this execution is. Okay, now we have received this trace at 153. Let's open this. So here you see we are getting the answer relevancy metrics, contextual precision, context recall, faithfulness. So we are getting all these matrices from the DeepEval execution along with the reason, created by, all these details. So this is how we can integrate the evaluation results generated from DeepEval into our trace for better observability. In the next video, we are going to see how we can build an golden data set and how can we run our test cases and get the results updated in the LangSmith portal. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button. If you want to see more videos on AI and testing, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.